Looking for inspiration to make your international youth projects even better? In the Q app, you will find hundreds of bite-sized resources to make your project Q. You can click Search Q when you are not logged in, or log in first for more options and select Search Q from the sidebar menu. Simply browse through the project questions and the underlying quality indicators. Or type a keyword to filter your search. Or search a tag or resource format to filter your search results. If there is a resource you particularly like, you can give it a star or share it online. And if you want to find it back more easily, you can pin it on your dashboard. If you find that something is wrong or missing, simply use the comment function to alert the Q administrator. Each of the resources links to further resources, both outside and inside the app, so you will never be stuck for an answer. With the Q app, you have tons of free and easy resources at your fingertips. They exist in different languages and are accessible from any device, also offline. So go on and make your project Q.